Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'm on my first year of university and I'm taking languages, literatures and cultures. I wanted to come back to my channel for a while now, but since I'm on holidays, I didn't have much content to show you, so I decided to make this What's on my pen case video. This is my pen case. It has the perfect size for me. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's blue and pink and has this little cute phrase right here saying have fun. On its side I have an Amnesty International ribbon that a friend of mine gave it to me, and a small charm from a Winnie the Pooh character that I absolutely love to keep it around. So this is the inside of my pen case. It looks like I have a lot of stuff, but I guarantee you that I only bring the essentials with me because I don't like carrying a bulky pen case around. So let's begin. These are my two highlighters. They are the only ones that I use. They are the Stabilo Boss Pastel Yellow and Pastel Orange ones. I bought them individually, and even though they bleed a lot to the other side of the paper, I love them. I use these highlighters to mark important information on my lecture notes and on my revision notes, and I don't think I have much more to talk about them. So right now I'm going to show you my colored pens that I use during lectures. They are all from Muji, and they are these ones. So I have a black one that I only use to write on my bullet journal and on my planner. I have this pink one that it was very interesting. It was a gift from a friend and it has erasable ink. It's a ballpoint pen and its ink, it's quite neon-ish, but I don't think it's too neon, so it's good for me. It's a 0.5 pen, like all of my other pens, and you can erase the ink with this little rubber ring right here. Then I have these 5 colored pens from Muji as well. They are all 0.5, as I told you before, and I only carry these colors with me because they are the colors from the color code that I created for this university year. If you want to know more about that color code and how I organized during this semester, let me know in the comments down below. So this is my pen orange, and actually my first Muji pen ever. This is the purple one. This is the yellow one. This is the green one, and the light blue one. I only use these 5 colored pens to write the names of my classes on my notebook and the dates, and to complement my revision notes that go on my binder. Then I have my writing material, which is my Muji 0.5 mechanical pencil. I bought it recently and I'm liking it very much, but I'm still getting used to write with a 0.5 mechanical pencil because I've written with 0.7 all my life. Then I have this Uni 0.5 mechanical pencil lids for my mechanical pencil, and my Muji black rubber. I think when you buy this rubber, it's a little bit hard to erase with it because it's way too hard, and sometimes it feels like it bleeds on the paper when you erase stuff, but after a little bit of use it does its job just fine. Then I have my ballpoint pens. This is my 0.7 like Unilacubo. It's my favorite ballpoint ever, my ballpoint pen ever, and I use it to write my lecture notes, my revision notes, and to do my tests. Then I have this Faber-Castell red pen. I don't know its size, but I guess it's a 0.7, and I only use it to write important notes and dates on my notebook and to write some examples on my notes. Then I have this random blue pen that my university gave to me when I enrolled, and this is the pen that I usually lend to my colleagues when they forget their own pens, so I won't be mad if I never see it again. And then I have this cute blue pen. It's a gel pen as well, and I don't use it this much. It was a gift from my mother, and I just keep it in my pen case just in case I need a new pen. Then I have my flash drive. It's a hippo. It's very cute, and all my colleagues love it. Actually, I keep all of my group projects and all my old presentations in here, just in case I can access to my email on the day. I have correction tape. And I have this miscellaneous material. This is my rubber and a random post-it. This is my this is my ruler, I'm sorry, that I use to make some tables, and some cute little things on my bullet journal. I have another random post-it right here. I have these little post-its from Bic that I use to complement my revision notes with little schemes. I have this cute little post-its from Tiger. They say homework, but it came with more with more post-its saying other things, and I use this to remember my homework for my lectures. Then I have this very old plastic page markers. Two of them already ended, and I use this to mark important pages on my notebook, important pages on my anthologies, and on my German book. And finally, I have these page markers as well. These ones are from paper. It was a gift from my mom, and I use it for the same things as I use these plastic ones. Oops. Last but not least, I keep 2 Lucky Charms inside my pen case, and they are supposed to give me good luck in my studies, and they haven't failed me so far. So right now I've showed you everything that's inside my pen case, and I'm going to do a little pen test so you can see the colors of my pens and how they write. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. You already know, if you want to know more about how I organize during the semester in uni, and more about my color code for each class, let me know in the comments down below. This is my last week of holidays before the second semester starts, so hopefully I will bring a new video next week about my first week of classes in the second semester, and I can't wait for it. So I hope you stay awesome, take care, and see you next time.